which coffee are you gonna go first? Yeah. Nababa ko Balen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Primero Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Dolores, city of San Fernando, Pampanga, and we're invited to this newly opened coffee shop.
So this is Primero Coffee na talagang bagong-bago and Instagrammable yung place nyo dito.
It's a chic coffee shop dito po sa Dolores. Earlier, natikman natin yung mga coffee nila and grabe, yung isa sa mga doon, I really fell in love with it. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so again guys, thanks so much for being with us in this video. Thanks so much Primero for inviting us. Grabe. Before we get into the coffees and yung mga desserts natin, ang mga pastries, Mark, what can you say about the place?
Siyempre, actually na-appreciate ko yung place. Napaka-minimalist,
Chill vibes.
Instagrammable.
Actually, almost the same yung reaction natin. No? So pagpasok ko dito, very homey yung vibe. At the same time, hindi complicated yung mga interior natin dito. I think if you go here with your date, mag-enjoy yung ano mo, yung female date mo dito.
Actually, hindi lang naman yung loob yung maganda. Even you could dine outside.
Yung
fresco nila.
So, isa po sila sa mga establishment na yun. They are open from 10 a.m. up until 12 midnight. Alright, so Mark, I know hindi ka talaga coffee person, no? Pero what do you think? What do you think about the products nila dito?
Actually, maliban sa coffee naman, meron din naman sila mga non-coffee.
Yes.
So like, meron tayo dito blended strawberry cream nila, blended chocolate chips, and syempre yung one of their best sellers yung kanilang ice horchata. Which is yung pinagmamalagay na homemade yung milk.
Exactly. So, ako naman, I'm into caramel. So, caramel macchiato, gusto ko rin yan. I think I got interested naman dun sa matcha earlier.
Yes.
So, nakita ko how they prepared it. Medyo I got interested with that. And for the sweets, of course, we got, let me introduce them first. So, this one is their Lotus Cookie Butter Cheesecake.
Yeah.
Look at this. Sinful. And then, meron din silang cookie dough cheesecake bars.
Ito yung counterpart ng mga brownies. Pero this is the cheesecake version.
Cheesecake, and then yung pinaka-base natin is a cookie dough. So, meron din silang s'mores cookie. For the cookies, meron din silang dark choco at saka oatmeal. So, tawag nila dito ang mga slim cookies. Alright, let's get into the details, guys. I wanna go first, of course, caramel macchiato. So, give it a quick, shake para even out yung natin, flavor natin.
So speaking of their coffee, yung mga ginagamit nilang mga coffee bean dito are locally made from Baguio and Batangas.
Actually, that's one thing, no? Marami tayong alam na ibang coffee shop, but for this one, they actually support local. So, good thing. Wow.
Inuna ko yung kanilang blended strawberry cream. So, yung tikim ko, meron parang sa mga strawberry bits.
For me, another favorite for me, ito yung tinatawag nilang sea salt latte iced. So, at the top, meron tayong parang foam siya. And then, nandito yung pinaka-coffee natin. So, let me sip it first. You can actually shake it however you like it. Pero para sa akin, oh, look at that. Okay, let me taste that first and then shake natin siya.
So, syempre, maliban sa mga coffee, meron din silang hot chocolate dito. So, sa mga chocolate lover, sa mga hot drinks, available dito.
Yeah, okay. So, ito pala, yung pinaka-foam natin is the sea salt. Ayan, yun. So, ang sarap.
Gandang puntahan to, lalo na ngayon malapit na yung Christmas, malamig yung panahon. Napakaganda ng place.
Vibe.
Siguro kung mag-chill ka lang or magkakaroon ka lang ng me time, napakaganda.
Yeah, actually may mga nakita tayo dito na they spend their time here like sa kanilang mga online classes or even chill before they go to work, no? Nagte-take out sila ng mga coffee.
So, titikman natin yung kanilang cookie dough cheesecake bar.
Yeah, let's just, hawakan na lang natin, guys. Interesting. So, although it's cheesecake, I think it doesn't lean towards yung maasim. No?
Sour taste.
Yeah. So it's still a little bit parang chocolatey, white chocolate.
Parang gano'n siya. And on the sweet side.
Yeah. Okay. So, meron din sila dito, kumbaga, this is the house coffee. Ito yung pinaka signature coffee nila. They call it Cafe Primer. It's an espresso and optionally, you can actually double the shot. Ayan. So, while Mark is doing that, yung alternative nila dito for the milk, you can actually have non-fat, soya, and yung oatmeal. So, yung non-fat, you can request for that one without any other charges. Pero yung natin, soya and yung oatmeal natin has a minimal charge na. That was it, guys. So, since si Mark hindi siya masyadong into coffee, yun yung dare natin sa kanya.
Double shot.
Okay, shake mo muna ng konti.
Mix na natin.
Mix natin ng konti. So, isa pa sa mga pastries nila is the Lotus Cookie Butter. Tikman naman natin siya, guys. It's a cheesecake then.
So, let's taste yung kanilang double shot na.
Good luck, brother.
Ang tawag Ice Cafe Primer.
So, hopefully hindi mag-palpitate si Mark dyan. Dahil double shot siya. Kick
Tapak
to the
na.
curb. Tapak na. When you go here and you need to be awake,
Yes.
like for example, you're doing a project, you need to study, or you stop by dahil naanto ka and you need a coffee. I think that's one for you.
This is the best for you.
It's gonna kick you up, guys. Another interesting coffee dito, they call this horchata. Ayan, horchata is, they use actually rice milk. Parang you prepare it day before you use it. That's how medyo tedious yung pag-prepare nito. So if you're into this kind of drink, it's unique. It's not the typical.
This is a non-coffee.
Yes.
So, kung gusto niyo naman yung with coffee, so meron sila dito yung kanilang
The dirty
horchata.
The dirty. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one since meron siyang coffee. Oh yeah. So this one has a cinnamon flavor. Okay, so I wanna try naman is yung kanilang s'mores cookies. Look at that. Titikman lang naman kasi natin just.
So, sa mahilig naman mag-drip, meron sila mga available na coffee drips dito. So, we have cinnamon, sagada, macadamia, and Bldg.
And again, yung mga drips natin dito, they still support yung local farmers natin. A little bit of background, napaka-inspiring ng origin or beginning ng coffee shop na to.
Yes, from online selling lang.
Actually, coming from parang mga cold brews.
Yes.
Mga customers po nila nagustuhan until they put up a physical store, a coffee shop. And available na po yung mga
drinks nila
dito.
So this is located dito sa may
Gamboa building.
Gamboa building. So ang pinaka-landmark niya is sa likod lang po siya ng Pampanga Animal Hospital, in between ng UCPB and Uniol dito sa may Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Exactly. Mark, siguro as a final words, no? So, alam ko, hindi ka into coffee.
Yeah.
Pumupunta ka pa rin sa mga coffee shop, right?
Yes, actually, being a coffee lover, pero minsan I'll go to a coffee shop to have time.
Yes.
Siyempre, hindi naman lahat sinaserve nila is with coffee. Meron
Yes.
sila mga non-coffee dito. And yung vibe.
Exactly.
Yun.
So I think that's what I want to point out din
Yes.
dito sa conversation natin na to, no? If you're looking for a place dito po sa Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, where you can, have time, me time sa morning, study, have a corporate meeting, I guess.
Actually.
So you can try this one. It's Primero Cafe. But first, coffee. Alright? If you're to ask me, if you're new to this coffee shop, go for this one. This is called Sea Salt Latte Ice. For me, this is nag-stand out sa lahat ng mga tinikman natin.
Ako naman yung kanilang chocolate, blended chocolate chips. And kung gusto nyo na gising na gising,
Additional
yung kanilang Ice Cafe Primer with double shot.
Lastly guys, I wanna add, no? So meron din tayong cafe americano dito. So this is pinaka-base sa lahat ng mga coffee. I think this is just black coffee and ice. And then additionally, if you want to add condiments like for example, yung coa cinnamon or sugar, you can actually get that for free dito po sa counter natin. Alright, so guys, again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Another option for you to check out dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga.
Another place for you to stay.
Yep.
Until midnight sila.
Until midnight, no? And kagandahan pa dito, actually, medyo tago siya. So, you get your privacy. No traffic noise, parang gano'n, no?
Yes.
Yun, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Peace, bro.